Alright, so here we have 3 units right here. We got a York. I'm not sure what this type of unit is called. York Odyssey or something. Right here. This fan's been pretty slow. Right here. It's from 2015 and it's a 7.5 ton. Lines here, it's cold and sweaty. The Lennox I filmed earlier. 2018, 7.5 ton. Cold and sweaty. It's getting darker, so yeah. Pretty sure this one has, and then this one over here that's running. It's really loud. The logo's on the back. Well, oh, there's no date on this unit. Oh wait, no, it's right here. 2010, 7.5 ton. So yeah, 3 units. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.